island that's called paradise, where the wind in the oaks and the cry of the gulls sing a song of the sea. Victoria, remember tenderly, follow your heart to the city of gardens, where quaint little lamps of old fill hearts with old country charm. Ride on the tally-ho, and nature will show where the old and the new are one. Follow the birds and find Victoria kissed by the sun. Yeehaw! Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Down east. Nowhere do you see this down east. You gotta come out to the west coast and see your first mermaid. Right? You go back there and tell those chowder eaters.
Yeah, we need a mermaid.
See those salmon snappers there, they go right out of their tree. They have mermaids. Yeah. Here's the chorus. Come to BC, come here and see Vancouver's Expo, enjoy it with me. Wherever I am, I'm hitting the bricks, and I'm heading out west to Expo 86. Another brush yet. Now Vancouver City's a city of beauty, where skyscraper buildings reach up to the sky, in a setting of mountains and forests and ocean, and BC's big expo's a treat for your eyes. Come to BC, come here and see Vancouver's Expo, enjoy it with me. Wherever I am, I'm hitting the bricks, and I'm heading out west to Expo 86.